Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee with coffee pads. First, ensure your coffee pad machine is clean and ready for use. We will cover adding water, correctly placing the coffee pad, and starting the brewing cycle. This method offers a convenient way to enjoy a fresh cup in just a few moments. You will learn to consistently brew a perfect cup with minimal effort, making your daily coffee routine a breeze. To begin, fill your machine's water reservoir with fresh, cold water. Most reservoirs hold enough for several cups, typically around 1 liter. Next, open the pad holder and carefully place a single coffee pad, ensuring it lies flat and centered. This prevents water from bypassing the coffee. Close the holder firmly until you hear a click, indicating it is properly sealed and ready for the next step. Now, position your chosen coffee cup directly beneath the dispenser spout. Select your preferred cup size by pressing the appropriate button on your machine. Typically, there are options for a small or large cup. The machine will then quickly heat the water and force it through the coffee pad, brewing your fresh coffee in approximately 30 to 60 seconds. Wait until the flow stops completely before carefully removing your steaming cup. Your delicious coffee is now ready to enjoy. For the best experience, drink it while it is still warm. Remember to remove the used coffee pad from the holder and dispose of it. A quick rinse of the pad holder and drip tray with warm water after each use helps maintain cleanliness and prevents residue buildup. This simple routine ensures your machine remains in excellent condition, ready to brew your next perfect cup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.